Good evening, students. So today we'll be starting about the explanation of exercise. Last time we finished exercise 3.6, right? So today we'll be finishing exercise 3.7. So here if you see, basically this exercise is a word problems chapter. Okay, so let's start with the first problem. It is saying Renu purchased some bags and then you have to find the maximum value of weight. Okay, and the weights are given as 75 kg and 69 kg, right? So what you have to do here is, okay, for this exercise I'll give you a hint. What you have to do is, whenever the question is asking you to find the maximum value of anything, okay, then you have to find the HCF of the given numbers. Okay, if the question is asking you to find the maximum or like longest, okay, maximum, longest, or anything, not anything means maximum and longest basically. So here you will find the HCF. And for LCM, what you will do is, if the question asks like find what is the minimum or what is the shortest, okay, so like for your easy understanding, like for maximum and longest, if the question is asking, then what you have to do, you have to find the HCF of the given numbers. Okay, and for what to say, for minimum, what you have to do, I mean for LCM, you have to see the minimum and the shortest. Okay, so when you find these two, you will find the LCM for these two. So in this way, this exercise can be solved. Most of the questions, other than at number 10 and 11, it is the LCM, so that will cover. Okay, otherwise we'll try to solve now. So here in the first question, you are told to find the what, HCF, because the question is saying find the maximum value, isn't it? So I told you, if it is maximum, we have to find the HCF. So how do you solve for the HCF? In exercise 3.6 you have learned that. So using prime factorization method, so this 75 will be divisible by 3, isn't it? 3, 2 are 6, borrow is 1, 3, 5 are 15, 25 is divisible by 5, 5, 5 are 25, and 5, 1 is 5. And for 69, 3, we can go with 3, 3, 2 are 6, 3, 3 is a 9, and only 3 is possible, and then 23 is a prime number. So finally, how will you find the HCF? For HCF, you write 75 equal to 3 into 5 into 5, isn't it? 3 into 5 into 5, and then for 69 you will write 3 into 23. So in this way, you can see that only the common factor here is 3. So HCF will be 3. So you can say that the maximum value of weight is 3 kg. Okay. So in this way, number 1 will be solved. Number 2, what will you do is, you will find the, what will you find? If you read the question, you will see that it is asking what is the minimum distance. That means minimum means LCM. Okay, so number 2, you will find LCM. So how do you find the HCF? You will take all the numbers together, 63, 70, and then 77. So in this type of LCM, what you have to do is, first, whatever is divisible by the shortest number, you start it. Okay, and like 70, so what will you do is, 70 is divisible by 2, 63 and 77 is not divisible by 2. What will you do? You will just copy them down. Okay, and for 70 you will factorize it. So 2, 3 are 6, borrow is 1, 2, 5 are 10, in this way. Okay, which is not divisible, you will just copy down. So whether 63 is divisible by 3, yes, so you will start with 3, 3, 2 are 6, 3, 1 is 3. 35 is not divisible, so you will just copy them down. In this way, we will go till the last. Okay, 3, 7 are 21, others are not divisible. So lastly, all these number is divisible by 7. 7, 1 is 7, 7, 5 is 35, 7, 11 are 77. Now 5, 1, 1, 11. 1, 11, sorry, 11, 1, 1, 1. So in this way, you have found the LCM. What will you do for LCM? After reducing it to the shortest form, what you have to do is just multiply these prime factorizations. Okay, 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 5 into 11. So when you multiply them, you will find that your answer is 6930. Okay, so what will you say? Therefore the minimum distance is what? 6930 centimeter. Okay, in this way you have to solve number 2. Okay, number 3 will be your homework. See what is the asking. What is it asking in the question? Find the longest tape. So what you have to do? Longest means what? I've already given you in the my Xerox I'm saying handwritten notes also, this for what to say 3 is your homework, isn't it? You just simply find the HCF. Like 825 you will solve it first, and then 675 you will solve other, and then 450. Okay, all this number is divisible by 5, so you can start with 5. 5 1 is 5, borrow is 3, so 5 6 are 30, borrow is 2, those 5 are 25. In this way you continue. Okay, again 5 is divisible, so in this way you have to finish it up. So this be your homework. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 3 we have finished. Number 3 as your homework. Number 4, what you have to do? Find the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So this is also smallest. So smallest, I have told you what will we do? We'll find the LCM of the given numbers. So this is number 4. So number 4 is LCM of 6, 8 and 12. So how can you do it? LCM of 6, 8 and 12. The same way you have to, whenever you find the LCM, you solve it together. Okay, all the numbers you take it at once. So 2, 3 are 6, 2, 4 are 8, 2, 6 are 12. 2, 3 will just copy down. 2, 2 are 4, 2, 3 are 6. Okay, 2, 3. The numbers which are not divisible, you just copy them down. 3, 1 is 3, 1 and 1. So after finding the LCM, what will be the LCM? We'll multiply, isn't it? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. You will get 24. First, we know that the LCM is 24. Now tell me, since the question is asking you the smallest 3-digit number, what is the smallest 3-digit number? The smallest 3-digit number is what? 100, isn't it? 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. So the smallest 3-digit number equal to 100. So what you have to do is, from the LCM, you divide this 100. After that, we'll get the required number. Okay, so let's divide this. We'll divide 100 with 24. 24, 4 are 96. Minus 10 minus 6 is 4. So, sorry, 100 minus 96 is 4. So, we get our remainder 4. Okay. So, what you have to do is 100. When we find the required number, how will you find is 100 plus 24 minus 4. Okay. 24 minus 4, this will be your required number. 100 plus 24 minus 4 will give you 20. That means 120 is the required number for question number 4. Okay, in this way number 5 will also be done, but it is asking what? The greatest 3-digit number. So wait, okay, pardon. Okay, find the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by. The same way you will solve. Okay, the same way we will solve for number 5. Okay, now we'll start the main discussion about this exercise. Okay, the main discussion about this exercise is number number 10 and 11, because we are trying to learn how to find the LCM. Okay, so or should I solve number 9 for you? Same process, exactly the same process as 4, 5. All these 4, 5 and 9 are same. Okay, so I'll solve 9 for you, and then we'll go for 10 and 11. We are skipping this 6, 7 because it's the same whatever I've told you. Okay, like find the maximum. So what will you do? You will find the HCF. Okay, in that way you will do. So number 9, find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by smallest again. So what will you do? You will find the LCM of this. So let's start. When you find the LCM, how will you do? Starting with 2. 2 9 are 18, 2 12 are 24, 2 16 are 32. In this way, 2 9 is not divisible, so we'll just copy down. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16. In this way you go till 1 1 1. Okay, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. Now this number is still divisible by 2 again by 2, lastly by 3, and then 3, finish. Okay, so lastly we get 1 1 1. So how will you find the LCM? You will simply multiply all this number. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, isn't it? So when you finally multiply, you will get 278. Okay, 278. Okay, I think it's 278. Let me just check. Okay, sorry, it is 288. Okay, 288 will be the answer. So now what do you know? The smallest 4-digit number. Can you tell me what is the smallest 4-digit number? The smallest 4-digit number is 1000, isn't it? So the same way, what will you do? You will 288 divided 1000. 1000 divided by 288. What will be answer? 288 into 3 will give you 864, which will give you minus, if you minus 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 136. So how will you find the required number? Therefore the required number, how do you do? 1000 plus, we have to subtract this 2, isn't it? 288 minus 136. When you subtract them, this is 1000, right? Okay, 1000, then you will find that your answer is 1152. Okay, 1152. You check it, I think it's correct. Okay, so in this way we solve number 9. Now we'll finally go for find the LCM. And what is the question saying? If you see the question number 10 of your textbook, page 67, after finding the LCM, it is saying that observe a common property in the obtained LCM. Is LCM the product of two numbers? Let's check it out. Okay, first one is 9 and 4. So how will you find the LCM? LCM is always found in this process. So 4 is divisible by 2, so we can start with 2. 9 will just copy it down. 2 2 are 4, 2 9, 2 1 is 2, 3 3 is 9, 1 3 1 is 3. So in this way you will get LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So what will you get? 2 into 4, 4 3 are 12, 12 3 are 36. You will get 36. Okay, and what we have to check, whether the product is same or not. Product of these two number. Product means multiplication. Okay, so if you see 9 into 4 will give you 36. So product is also the same as our LCM. So you can say that LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. In this way you have to solve. Okay, so let's try one more. 12 and 5. Number B is 12 and 5. So how will you solve for 12 and 5? 12 is divisible by 2, so you can start with 2. 2 6 are 12. 5 you will just copy it down. 2 3s are 6. 5 will just copy it down. 3 1 is 3. 5 1 is 5. Okay, in this way. So finally what will be your answer? LCM when you multiply them, 3 into 5. So after multiplying you will get 60. Now you will check whether the product of these two number is same or not again. So 12 into 5 will give you 60. So again you can say then yes, the product of two number is equal to the LCM. Okay, easy, isn't it? Try the other ones yourself. The last is number 11. Very hot in my room. So find the LCM of following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. Okay, so like you have to see after finding the LCM whether the number is the factor of the other or not. Suppose 5 is a factor of this or not. Okay, so let's first find the LCM. 5 into 20. LCM, how is going? Both these numbers are divisible by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 4 are 20. So you can also 2, again you can start 2 2s are 4, 2 1 1. So LCM, what will you get? 5 into 2 into 2, 10 2 are 20. So LCM you are getting 20. What do you see? What is the factor? Factor is 5, isn't it? You can see that between these two, whether 20 in 20, 5 is a factor, isn't it? You can say that in 5 timetable number 20 is coming. How? 5 4 are 20. This is rough. Okay, don't copy down. So just for explanation, so you can say that 5 is a factor of 20 because in 5 timetable we are getting 20. Okay, so you can write them. Therefore 5 is a factor of 20. In this way you have to check whether there is some factor or not. Okay, so next we'll try number B, and I think this will be enough for this exercise for easy understanding. Okay, 6 and 18. So again, how do you find the LCM? 2 3 are 6, 2 9 are 18, 3 1 is 3, 3 is a 9, 3 1 1. Okay, so LCM, how do you find? 2 into 3 into 3. So what do you get? 18. So again you can see that after getting the LCM, you can again say that 6 is a factor of 18. Why? Because in 6 timetable we are getting 18. How? 6 3 are 18. Okay, so in this way you can write, therefore 6 is a factor of 18. So as simple as that. Basically in this exercise what we are trying to learn is to find the LCM. Okay, and you have to keep note that in the word problems, if question is asking maximum, then you have to find the HCF, and minimum then LCM. Okay, so easy. Okay, thank you students. If you have any problem, you can either WhatsApp me or comment in the YouTube platform. Okay, thank you, bye.